The expected foldable iPhone, rumored for release around 2026, represents Apple's bold entry into the foldable smartphone market, aiming to combine the premium build and ecosystem Apple is known for with cutting-edge flexible display technology. Leaks suggest it will feature a rollable or foldable OLED screen, allowing the device to transition seamlessly between a compact smartphone form and a larger tablet-like display, likely around 8 to 9 inches when unfolded. Apple is expected to equip it with its next-generation A18 or A19 Bionic chip, ensuring flagship-level performance, paired with 5G connectivity and ample RAM for smooth multitasking. Camera capabilities are rumored to include advanced multi-lens systems, leveraging computational photography for professional-grade shots even in foldable form factors. On the software side, the foldable iPhone will likely run iOS 27 with optimized multitasking features, adapting the interface dynamically to the expanded screen. With Apple's emphasis on design, durability, and ecosystem integration, this foldable iPhone is expected to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, potentially redefining mobile productivity and media consumption.